I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your AirPods are paired and sitting near your iPhone so the device shows up in Bluetooth. Once visible, open Settings, go directly to Bluetooth, and find the AirPods entry. Tap the small blue info icon next to the name to reveal device options. This step accesses the device record where the name is editable. It's quick and prevents toggling between apps. Don't skip confirming the connection first. Because the name field, you're now in the editable name field. Tap it and the keyboard appears so you can type a new label. Use letters, numbers, or even an emoji to personalize. Shorter names display better on other devices. Once you finish typing, tap Done to commit the change. Because AirPods sync through iCloud, the updated name will show on your other Apple devices signed into the same account, so you don't need to rename separately. If it seems unchanged, move on to the quick verification step. You should verify the new name appears under Settings Bluetooth and on any other Apple devices tied to your iCloud. If the name hasn't updated, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart your iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure AirPods are out of their case and connected while you check. As a final troubleshooting move, unpair, forget this device, and then repair the AirPods. Repairing writes the current name into the device record and resolves lingering sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.